Alright, so we have Troy from Full Government Defense Arts with me here, and we're going to work on the split jab. So as Troy jabs, I'm trying to get inside. Everything together. This hand's always here, and I'm going to, we have what we call the catcher's mitt here or the parry. You can do either. So the catcher's mitt. I'm here. See how that works? You'll see so many times fighters walking into each other's jabs at the same time. If we go right hand at the same time, exact concept. And we can use the same method, this is just the split cross. Okay? So the technique of that is with good jab basics, I am parrying at the same time, or catcher's mitt. Also, very important is center line. Spine projected forward. To keep my jab as center as I can. If I'm out here, believe it or not, people jab this way, as opposed to here. So catcher's mitt, here, okay, catcher mitt, all right, parry, okay. And you'll see boxers all the time jabbing at the same time. You have to have an answer for that. Good mechanics, catcher's mitt. Notice how the catcher's mitt, my hand is in front of my face. And parrying, I can actually make that go past my neck. That's actually the goal. To get more of a, okay, more penetration on the shot. So that's just the very basics of the split jab, but very important to train this. Always be thinking that when you're striking, your opponent isn't just going to be standing there, he's going to be striking back as well.
Exactly. You're not sitting back there like in a movie, I throw something, you throw something. It's
exactly. Cool. Perfect. Thank you. All right, so we have Troy from Full Government Defense.